Hey guys and gals, what's going on? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I'm back with another video of a little bit of everything. So guys, check this out. I know I haven't been around for a minute, but I have a really good reason why, and that is because I bought a house. Woohoo! So I've been moving my stuff in and out of my apartment, and I've been really busy, super tired, I'm super exhausted, but of course a girl's gotta eat. So when I came home, I said, let me go ahead and whip this up. And while I was doing that, I said, you know what? Let me put this on camera. So the dish that I'm making today is arroz con salchichas. And that is pretty much rice and meat. Yeah, that's how I like it. So, let's see. So far, I've showed you about half of the ingredients that I put in. So I've got like 3 different flavors. I've got some hot Vienna sausages that I put in there, some mild and some regular Vienna sausages. I also put the salchichon in there, which is just like hard salami. It comes with like little pepper balls in them. It's so good. I always say this wrong. I don't know if it's ricotta or whatever. I did use sofrito in there. You're gonna see that. I did put 2 packs of sazon. I cut up some olives as well. I cut up 6 olives. They're really big olives. They're so good. And as you can see, I love this stuff because I'm like out. But yeah. How have you guys been doing? Hopefully well. I hope you guys comment down below. I want to thank everybody for sticking with me who is still subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. Because I know you guys are probably like, what happened? Where is she? She said videos every Sunday, and yes, I fell off the map. But I had a good reason to, and I'm going to try to get back into my grind, because right now I'm actually working on, it's almost like a studio. So it's like my vanity room. Remember guys, I said I was going to do a part 2 to my vanity. So next week, I'll show you guys my room, and it's a hot mess, because like I said, I moved in and I threw everything in there. And I did go ahead and buy those drawers, but I'll save that for the next video, and I'll tell you guys more about that later. So right here, I'm just adding some pepper. You know, do it to taste. You guys already know I don't measure anything. I just go ahead and plateau. Just throw it in there, stir it up, mix it up. So the flame is on. The flame is on really low. I think I showed you guys that in there. I just want to let you guys know what I put in there so far. I did use garlic, but you guys saw the ingredients, and you guys saw how much I put in there. And I'm just walking off and on the camera. I said I'm not going to speed this one up. This video is pretty short, so I just wanted to show you guys firsthand how long it's going to take, even though I didn't film how long it took for the rice to cook. But we'll get to that. So pretty much you're making like a meat sauce. Those were the olives. They're already chopped up. They're in there. We're going to stir that up. Now, for those of you who know how to make rice or don't know how to make rice, this is the way I make my rice. I also have 2 other ways I make rice. So what I like to do is put the rice in the pot. When you're making this dish, you put the rice in the pot because it's almost like a stew. So you're cooking it right in it. So I go ahead and add however many cups of rice you want, but I put in 2 cups. And then when you put 2 cups in of rice, you want to double what you're putting in water. So I then went ahead and used the same cup. Oh, there, I'm showing you the flame and how low it is. I'm using the same cup that I used the rice to measure the water. So I put 4 cups of water in, and then you want to boil that down until it's like right above the rice and the meat. And then once it's boiled down to there, you put the lid on, and then you just set it and forget it. Turn it down low and let it simmer for exactly 30 minutes. I timed it, guys. It was 30 minutes. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to let you guys go ahead and enjoy the rest of this. It came out phenomenal, guys. Phenomenal. Let me know if you guys try this recipe. Let me know how it comes out for you. Let me know if you want me to measure stuff. But guys, I do not cook with measuring. It's going to be a hot mess. I just want to thank you guys once again for joining me on this video. Thank you for sticking with me on my channel. Please like, comment, rate, share, subscribe. Please share this video with your friends. you know, you guys need a recipe, you having a little get together, a shindig, you know. Thank you guys. All right, take care.